Can you really get a 100-inch cinema experience at home for under 200 euros? This is a Xiaomi Smart Projector L1. It is small, it is lightweight and also affordable. Let's find out if this is a budget upgrade your setup needs. But first of all, let's see what comes with it in the box. So we have the power cable, a power adapter, a user manual, the remote control and the projector itself in the package. And just for your information, this projector comes with Google TV, so you can pretty much use all the biggest platforms to stream your content from. On the back we have 4 ports. Next to the headphone port we have an HDMI input, an USB 2.0 port and of course the DC port. One special thing about this projector is that it is sealed and dust proof. This is not common in this price category, which will ensure that the lens will not be filled with dust, which of course will improve the longevity of this device. A quick thanks to the sponsor of this video, Joybuy. I got the Xiaomi L1 smart projector direct from them, but they let me pick the product myself, and of course my opinion is also my own. But what is Joybuy? It is a platform where you can get tons of great stuff. They got a huge variety of items. Most important for us is probably the tech department, and they got everything from smartphones to the projector and also gaming. If you want to have a PS5 or Nintendo Switch 2 before Christmas, not an issue here. Next to electronics, they also have beauty products, food, daily essentials or fashion items. Just check them out yourself, and the best thing is the price is among the lowest I could find. The delivery was really quick. I ordered on a Wednesday and the delivery was scheduled for Friday, and the packet arrived already a day earlier on Thursday, so it was roughly 24 hours between the order and the delivery, which is really great, especially in this season. You can check out the website, and if you want to have a very smooth experience on the go, you can use the Joybuy app, available for iOS or Android, and there you can scroll through all the categories. Need a new TV, smartphone, or just want to style your hairs? They got you covered. Use the link in the description and this code down here to save even more on your orders. You probably guessed it. In the back, it is a projector running. Let's want to turn off the lights here. So this looks promising, but now let's take a deeper look. Pair with the remote control, we have to press those 2 buttons together. So let's do it. And the best part about it is that it doesn't come with batteries. And hold a minute, execute auto keystone correction. Or we can also just do the manual keystone correction. Maybe we will pick a corner, try to fit it. We can one time check again the focus, execute focus. It took way longer than I expected. Either way, let's check out YouTube now. Let's take a look at one of my recent camera comparisons. The Xiaomi has a little bit stronger blue tone, seems. Otherwise, can't really make much out here. Overall, the picture seems to be a little bit brighter here on the 15T Pro. Let's take a look at the little movie here, Big Buck Bunny. So this one runs in 60 frames per second, and it is also visible here to me. I'm shooting the video in 30 frames per second, but it displays the 60 frames per second quite well, actually. Does a good job here. And the picture quality is also fine. The room is also basically completely dark. Not any lights are on here. So you probably can see also here with my dark face. So no extra lights on, just the projector projecting the image. We have of course different picture modes as well here. In a dark room like this, the brightness level is also fine. Of course we did not have a huge amount of lumen here. We just got like 200 lumens on this thing, but in a dark environment it does a good job. The volume is on 21, which if you're sitting as close as I do, it is loud enough. Let's go one time up all the way. So it can get quite loud. And this sound is actually also quite okay. You will not get a rich sound, of course, from this. So the sound experience is, of course, limited. And it is also what you should expect from such a little package. But if you want to have a better sound, you can easily connect a Bluetooth speaker, wired or wireless, of course. Let's test out one time one of those 4K HDR videos. See up there, HDR is also activated here. And the picture looks actually very good. So this is the picture which you can get when it is completely dark. Now I will play a bit with my room lights here. I have 3 lights up here. If I turn them on all at maximum brightness, you can see me quite well, but I think you can't see anything at all on the projector anymore. Let's dial it down to 50%, which is still too bright, of course. Now I turned off 2 of the bulbs, now just 1 is on, which is pointing in the other direction. And it is now okayish for casual viewing. Let's go to like 20%. This is now actually still not completely dark. As you can see, my face is still somewhat lit. And it is actually good enough to watch something already on this. Now again, comparison with complete darkness. So it is fine then. So of course, direct sunlight from a window would be having a different effect, but overall a little bit brightness is possible, but complete darkness is of course recommended, which is with most projectors the case. And I think for 160 euros to get this kind of quality is actually quite nice. But videos are one factor. Another thing is probably gaming. So I got my Nintendo Switch 2 here. Let's one time turn it on and check now. The auto switch is happening here. It also recognizes Switch 2 here in the corner. Let's just close. The picture quality is not bad, considering this is again just a 160 euro projector. We get also the 60 frames here in Zelda Tears of the Kingdom in the Switch 2 version. So Mario Kart World was of course a launch title of the Nintendo Switch 2. Also one of the most beloved franchises in the world when it comes to gaming. Just it's really very well playable here. My eyes does a really good job. So now the only thing which I don't like so much is really the speakers, which are not great. That's a classic Mario Kart move. With the blue shell close to the finish line. But I still got it. So, the Nintendo Switch 2 on the Xiaomi L1 projector. This works quite well. What about the PlayStation 5 Pro? Let's turn on the PlayStation 5 Pro. As always, you just turn on your PlayStation 5 after a couple of days. Update time. One time, take a look at how it looks here. Again, the 60 frames per second are quite visible here for me. The picture is quite fluid. Let me one time check So in my eyes, it is really a respectable job here from the Xiaomi L1 projector. Let's say it's late at night and you're lying in your bed and you have a empty ceiling like most of us, and you just want to relax a little bit and watch some stuff. Of course, the projector is good for this as well. Let's turn off the lights. Just aim at the ceiling. Will take some seconds to adjust here, of course. And then you're good to go. So, will this projector now replace my television? Probably not. But I was still surprised by how good this €170 projector performed. The Xiaomi L1 smart projector even handled HDR quite fine. It worked really well with the Nintendo Switch 2 too. Playing Mario Kart World here with the gaming mode felt natural. I didn't feel any issues here. Also, Zelda Tears of the Kingdom was tested, and as well, I didn't feel any problems here. The 60 frames per second were butter smooth, and it was overall a really nice experience. The only downside for me are the speakers. If you want to have immersive sound out of the box, you have to consider this. Let me know in the comments what you make out of this projector. And a huge thanks again to Joybuy for sponsoring this video. As I said, if you are looking for unbeatable prices and fast shipping, I highly recommend you download the Joybuy app to have the smoothest experience on the go. Check the link in the description and use my code SHA right here to save even more money. If you want to have the best prices, a huge variety of products, and super fast shipping, Joybuy is definitely worth checking out. Let me know in the comments if you have already been shopping with Joybuy or which item is currently in your shopping cart. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.